Hey there, I'm Lauren and this is Casey. We're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. This video is part of our Head Over Meals Challenge, where we're sharing weekly food challenges to help you eat well in the new year.
Yes, and this week's challenge is to try a Better For You pizza.
Yes, so in our normal pizza aisle in our stores, you'll find a couple doors that say Better For You pizzas, and there are lots of really delicious and better for you options in those stores.
Yes, there are. So what makes a lot of these pizzas better for you is that they've got veggies added into the crust.
Yes.
And a lot of times they taste just like a regular pizza crust. You can't even tell. So the one that we have here today is from Urban Farmer. This is a broccoli cauliflower crust. So just another way to add a little bit of extra veggies into your pizzas. But another way you can do that is, even if you just have a regular frozen pizza, just adding either fresh, frozen, or canned veggies right on top of that pizza before you bake it. Again, just adding those veggies in wherever we can.
Yes, and another easy way to balance out a delicious pizza is by pairing it with either like a side salad or steamed or roasted veggies to just make it more of a balanced meal.
Yes, so good luck. Try your own Better For You pizza. We're excited to see what you come up with.